How to make Keto Tuna Stuffed Zucchini. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For stuffed zucchinis: 2 tablespoon avocado oil, half medium red bell pepper, diced, 8-ounce canned tuna, half cup salsa, 2 medium zucchini, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. For avocado salsa: 1 small avocado, cubed, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, 3 tablespoons red onion, minced, 2 teaspoon lime juice. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat oven to 400 F. 2. Rub avocado oil on a baking sheet. 3. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil. Add in the pepper, cumin, canned tuna, drain most of the water out of the tuna, and salsa. Stir to combine well. 4. Chop the ends of the zucchini off and discard. Cut lengthwise and core out the inside of the zucchini. Place the zucchini onto the baking sheet. 5. Spoon the tuna salsa mixture into the zucchini boats evenly. 6. Bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. 7. Make the avocado salsa by combining the cubed avocado, chopped cilantro, red onion, and lime juice. Stir to combine well. 8. Top the zucchini boats with the avocado salsa. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Tuna Stuffed Zucchini. Each serving comes out to be 461 calories, 29.4 grams fat, 10 grams net carbs, and 31.4 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.